In ChatFlash, you have the possibility to select personalities and create your own. This is a very powerful feature that gives you much more possibilities than it seems at first glance. But what are personalities? The personality is, so to speak, the person you're currently chatting with. However, it doesn't have to be a person. It could also be a brand or a target group, for example. The personality here defines the context, the brand, the tone, and the role of the output. We can see that here with this example. If we choose the normal default personality that is automatically selected when ChatFlash starts, it will give us a generic answer to the question about the values we care about. However, if we generate a Mercedes-Benz brand personality, ChatFlash will answer the exact same question with the most important values that the Mercedes-Benz brand embodies. So I get a completely different answer to the same question based on the selected personality. What possibilities does this open up? You can always write all marketing texts in the tone of your brand without having to tell ChatFlash the context every time. For example, if we generate a personality for the Mercedes-Benz brand, all output will now reflect the company's tone and values, be it social posts, textful websites, or newsletters. Important, the more accurate your input of the personality is, the better the results will be. Plus, you only have to enter this information once and can access it each time without having to copy it back into ChatFlash. You just select the personality Mercedes-Benz and you're ready to go. Afterwards, you could, for example, chat with your own target group and conduct market research without having to use surveys and focus groups. Simply create a personality of your buyer persona and ask them everything you want to know. This way, you can do market research right from your desk. Do you need a personal coach about a specific topic? Create a personality of yourself, including your background, character, and values that are important to you. Then all output will be adapted to your own person. Need an expert on a specific topic? Choose from our list of predefined personalities. You need advice on SEO? Choose the appropriate personality and ask all your questions, or give your SEO expert directly orders that they should execute for you. Of course, you can also create your own experts. But how does this whole thing work in practice? You will find the personalities above the input window. If you click on it, you will be shown all the prefabricated and self-created personalities. With a simple click, you can select them and start chatting. If you want to create a new personality or edit an existing one, click on Manage Personalities. Here you can create a new personality, enter a description, and give it a name. You can also edit your personalities at any time by clicking on the pencil icon. Now you know how our personalities work. Try it out now.